Here's how to create typewriter text effect in Premiere Pro. So this is my background or video layer and this is my text layer. Now go to effects panel and search here crop and add the crop effect to your text layer. Then select the text layer and go to effect controls, and under effect controls go to crop effect section. Here make sure to put the playhead at the start and enable toggle animation for right, and right value give here 100%, and then your text will be invisible just like this. After that you have to move your playhead a little bit, and then we have to click on reset parameter, and then our text will be again visible. After that just go ahead and play your timeline and you see the typewriter text effect. And now if you want, you can add a typewriter audio clip to make the typewriter effect more perfect.